In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off filters on your iPhone camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app and then make sure you are in a photo mode, because we are able to add filters just to photos. Once you are at photo mode, tap right here at that arrow, and that will show you that options. Then you need to tap right here at that icon, and after that you will be able to swipe left or right to set some filter to your photo. Once you have selected a filter, you will be able to control filters parameters in that way. There are two parameters here, tone and warmth. We can increase warmth, and also in this way we can control tone. Once you are done with that, you can tap right here and then you can just take a photo with filter. Basically, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.